Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today is going to be a more interesting type video. So recently I was at Ulta and I found these Catrice makeup transformer drops, but they say waterproof. So I am very familiar, actually let me pull them out, with the NYX Pro foundation mixers. They come in 4 different colors and you can mix them to get your perfect foundation shade. And Catrice has kind of put some of those out, but then they also put out the waterproof ones. And it says on the back, liquid drops to make any fluid Catrice makeup waterproof. Shake well before use and mix 3 drops with usual daily makeup amount. So I don't have any Catrice foundations to try, but I do have an Essence one that's new that I really like, the Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. And Essence and Catrice are sister brands, so I figured it would be okay to mix these in. And also, I mean, if you buy these, don't you want to use them with any foundation, not just Catrice? So I just worked out, kind of gross, but I wanted to do this really quick. So I'm going to do my face with this, and then I have a bowl of water over here that I'm going to get my face wet, and then I have a towel, and we're going to see if this is actually waterproof. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. I hate sneezing. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple pumps of the Essence, foundation, and then let me open this Catrice, and I'm going to do what it says, oh, I need to shake it, I forgot. All right, so let's shake it well. I don't really hear anything shaking up in there. Okay, and then we're going to do 3 drops. 1, 2, come on, 3. Okay, they're like a white type of color. So let's take, I'm going to mix these in with the end of my brush. This is how I normally do stuff like this. Okay, and now I'm going to just take this foundation. This Essence foundation smells so fresh. It says fresh and awake, and it smells that way. I know people have done those videos of full waterproof videos. They waterproof makeup tested or something. Those were popular, I don't know, about 6 months ago probably. Not longer. I will say this, it didn't really change the coverage or the texture of the foundation or the blendability or anything like that. So I like that. That was kind of my concern, is oh gosh, is it gonna feel, you know, different, the foundation. And I'm gonna shower after this video, so it doesn't really matter if this turns out well or not. It's not like I gotta go out. So I'm just going to wipe off the foundation while on the back of my hand while this dries a little bit, because I want to make sure it's really dry. You know what? Maybe should we set it with a little bit of powder? Maybe I'll do that. Well, no, because I want to actually see if the foundation comes off, not the powder. So maybe I won't set it. But it's still a little tacky. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer for it to dry. And then we'll go in with the water. Okay, guys, I feel like it's pretty set. I had to move myself up a little. I got my giant bowl of water here. All right, and I have a towel. I got towels covering everything because I'm so scared because my computer is right over here. Okay, so let's put some water. This is harder to do. I'm I feel like a dog trying to drink water right now. Okay, guys, so I just dunked my whole face in water. So let's dry off. Just kind of doing a patting motion. Not necessarily a I got water everywhere. Okay, I'm doing a patting motion. I'm not really doing a wiping motion because I don't really want to try to get it off, you know? I think you're supposed to pat your face anyway, right? All right, so can you guys see? There's a little bit off on the towel, right here. But I mean, maybe it actually worked. I'm looking in my computer over here, sorry. I mean, I I definitely still feel like it's kind of on. And I mean, a little bit came off, but not a ton. Not as much as as what would normally come off. So I really do think these work. And I mean, like, I dunked my face in there. Like, I didn't just like splash some water. I like got all up in that water. So, I mean, I made sure I like really tested it. These are actually really cool. I don't think, like, I'm not someone who goes to the beach or the pool or something like that in the summer with, you know, makeup on. So I probably wouldn't use these for that. But if you are wanting like a really long wearing look, or maybe, you know, like if you're on vacation, you're going to go take pictures at the beach or something and you're nervous about water getting, I mean, this would be good, I think. So I'm really excited about these. I'm excited that they work. You know, a little foundation came off, but not nearly as much as what would have, I think, without these drops in there. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I thought it was really fun to test this out. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!